Evaluate the integral of sec cube x. So the best way to solve this is using integration by parts. So let's start. You know that sec cube x will be written as sec x times sec squared x. Because for us to use integration by parts, we need to have a product. I'm using the formula for integration by part, as the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. And in choosing which one is u, how do? You use this acronym REAT, or maybe let's use LIPTE. This means log function. So if you see a log function first, we use, that's our u, we'll assign it to u. I inverse log P is polynomial, T is trigonometry, so E is exponential function, exponent. So, but in this case, both of them are trig functions. So meaning that one is u, one is dv, and it seems since we have a derivative, sec squared is the derivative of time, so it's better we assign u as sec x and dv, so which implies that u is sec x and dv is sec squared x dx. So in this formula we need to get v. So how do you get v? You integrate dv, and to have du we differentiate u. So we have du dx is tan x sec x. That's the derivative of sec. So du ds will make it the subject. We'll make du the subject of formula. So we have du is tan x sec x. Y v. If I integrate sec squared, I have tan x. Therefore, we now have integral of sec. Remember, this is sec cube x. Is now u. My u is, I'm using this formula now. This and this are the same, so I had to use this back because I will use it later. Our u is sec x, so I have sec x, and our v is tan x minus integral of v is tan x, and du is tan x sec x dx. So which is, okay, let's write tan first. I have tan x sec x. Why? This is integral of tan squared x sec x dx. Again, to make it easier, we use identity. If you could remember that, tan squared is sec squared minus 1 using Pythagorean identity. So I have this is integral of sec squared x minus 1, which is tan squared x times sec x dx. So this is tan x sec x minus integral of sec cube x dx. Let's just write minus sec x dx. So if you notice, we'll still have sec cube x. Remember, there is sec cube x here, x. So what do? We need to use logic. So this is now, we can split this as tan, that this integral, integrating both, which is minus integral of sec cube x dx plus integral of sec x dx. They are the same. We are correct. So why we do this, we need to make this, because I have sec cube x here and I have sec cube x, we'll make it the subject of formula. So this comes over here. This is sec cube x dx. This is the first one. Why this is that same sec cube x dx. So we'll repeat this, tan x sec x. Why integral of sec x is ln sec x plus tan x. I've done it before. So plus, okay, plus k. So sec cube x plus sec cube x, they are the same, so 2. So we have 2 integral, so which implies that if I now make integral of sec cube x dx the subject of formula, remember this plus this is 2 integral of sec cube x, we now have half. That's dividing both by 2, now half of tan x sec x plus ln sec x plus tan x plus k. So that's the answer, half of this. So it's a logical equation. Thank you.